Okay, go past where I shoveled. Go a little past where it's a nice clean spot. Let's see it. How'd it turn out?
Daddy.
Yeah, looks like an angel.
Pass me that shovel. I can shovel the snow.
Want a shovel? Okay.
Pass me that.
Alright. Love your angel. Good shoveling, Megan. Isn't that heavy?
Yes.
Don't hurt yourself.
Help me, Daddy. Hold that end. I'll hold this.
Hold one end.
This
Hold one end of the shovel?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. There you go. You shoveled it. What happened? What happened? You got shoveled. I think you got shoveled too.
Daddy,
Yes.
I want you to cover me up.
You got shoveled. That's what I think.
I'm gonna cover myself up. Daddy, will you cover me up? The snow and then go.
I don't know if that's such a good idea.
Why?
Probably gonna be freezing under there.
Do it, Daddy. I'm not cold at all, Daddy.
No? If I leave you out here overnight, you might get cold.
Yeah, Daddy.
We'll come get you in the morning.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Can you cover me up with snow, please?
You want to leave you here and we'll come get you tomorrow?
No.
What if I cover you up and then I can't find you?
Daddy, Daddy.
Yeah. What?
I saw one of the blow-ups.
Did you?
Yep.
Who is it? Who'd you find? Santa Claus and Rudolph? Oh yeah, it's Santa and Rudolph. I see Santa. Poor Santa.
Mommy!
Poor Santa, look at him.
Here!
Oh man,
for a
Santa's
second.
buried. His sleigh must have crashed.
There's the grass, so we need to dig over here. Come here, Mom. We found Santa and Rudolph.
You're burying Santa and Rudolph?
What?
Yeah, I'm burying Santa and
We
Rudolph.
found him.
Yeah, I think their sleigh went off course last night. He ended up in a pile of snow.
Daddy, isn't it great?
Poor guy.
Daddy, isn't it great?
Yeah. Poor guy.
Daddy.
What a shame. Oh, I see. I guess you're part of Rudolph. I see part of Rudolph. Man, they must have been freezing out here last night.
I know. Rudolph must be up here, Daddy. You help dig Santa out, okay? I'm gonna try and dig Rudolph. Daddy, you try and dig Santa out, please.
Yeah? Okay. What's Mommy doing?
She's
Uncovering her trees?
saving her trees.
Trying to save her trees? Trying to save the rainforest?
Daddy, help me dig them out.
I'm gonna help you. I just wanted to get some footage. Can you find his nose? Where's his nose?
I didn't find it yet.
I bet not only is his nose red, I bet his whole body is red.
Why?
Because he's cold. Poor Santa. Poor little Santa.